move this towards the other side, then these jaws open up. ठीक है? You can see the jaws in the downward and the upward direction. ठीक है? तो जो आपके downward jaws हैं, these jaws are called external jaws. क्या बोलते हैं इनको? External jaws कैसे बोलते हैं इसको? Suppose I want to find the length of this cuboid, or breadth of this cuboid, or width of this cuboid. Then we will fix this cuboid here in the external jaws. ठीक है? और कैसे fix करेंगे इसको? We'll move this towards this cuboid because we need to fix it tightly, like this. This is how we fix it. So these jaws are called external jaws because they hold any object externally. Can you see? है ना? तो इसको बाहर की साइड से ये होल्ड कर रहा है, इसलिए इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? External jaws. Similarly, the upper two jaws you can see, these are internal jaws. These are internal jaws, and they have similar but different function. And how the function is similar? Again, it is used for measuring length, और ये भी hold करता है object को. And different किस aspect में है कि instead of holding the object externally, it holds the object internally. And how does it hold? Let's find out. This is suppose हमारे पास ये है this glass, and I want to find the inner radius of inner diameter, you can say, because radius we cannot find. We can find the diameter and then we can divide it by 2 to get the radius, right? And I want to find the inner diameter of this glass because it has specific certain मतलब thickness है, ठीक है? It is slightly thick, so it has both the external and internal diameters, है ना? So we can find external as well as internal diameter. तो कैसे find करेंगे? If you want to find the external diameter, then you need to hold the glass like this. Then we'll use external jaws. If I want to find the external diameters, we'll place the glass like this to find the external diameter. But what if I want to find the internal diameter? Then तो हम ये ऊपर वाले jaws, जो internal jaws है, we're going to use these jaws this time, and we'll fix these jaws like this. ठीक है? So this way we can find the internal diameter. So if you want to find any, if you have any hollow object which is hollow from inside and you want to find the internal dimension of that object, then you can use internal jaws. ठीक है? ये वाले जो आपके jaws